my name is Jiajing Li. I'm an Imperial alumni, and I'm the event lead for the Imperial app, keynote and workshop.
I'm Nick Monroe, designer in residence across Imperial College. So tonight, we've got an interactive keynote event with a workshop to give us feedback and direction for the ongoing development of the final outcome.
The whole aim of the event is to get everyone up close and personal with the app, getting their feedbacks and making sure the app really hit the mark.
Keeping everything you need right at your fingertips.
Creating a very intuitive and user-friendly interface.
I'm Sohani. I do design engineering at Imperial. One thing I absolutely love about it is the occupancy heat map, which is going to tell me which place I can study in on campus. It's really going to help me if it's implemented in the next year. But yeah, I actually love it.
We're so pleased with the way it went tonight. It was great, really great input, energy, very good feedback, and it was fun too.
So there's many exciting features in the new app that I'm very excited about. For example, digital access will be amazing, not carrying around my key card.
It was really interactive to have these questions and like a group discussion on the tables. I think I'm just really excited to use the app now, so yeah, thank you.